हर एक यूट्यूबर की ख्वाहिश होती है कि वो सिल्वर प्ले बटन, गोल्ड प्ले बटन और डायमंड अवार्ड ले। लेकिन ये अवार्ड्स कितने सब्सक्राइबर्स पर मिलते हैं और इसमें क्या क्या होता है, इसके बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। वीडियो को एंड तक देखना, आपको नया इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा। सिल्वर क्रिएटर अवार्ड awarded to channels that reach or surpass 1 lakh subscribers. The old version was made of nickel plate capronical alloy. The new version as of March 1st, 2017 is 92% nickel, 5% carbon and 2.5% zinc with traces of other metals. In March 2008, the look of the silver play button was updated from a metal button housed within a window box with the channel's name printed on the front glass pane to a cleaner looking flat designed metal plate award featuring the channel's name embossed on it. Channels at this level are also eligible to apply for a digital verification badge. Gold Creator Award awarded to channels that reach or surpass 1 million subscribers. It is made of gold-plated brass. In March 2018, the look of the gold play button was updated from a metal button housed within a window box with the channel's name printed on the front glass pane to a cleaner looking flat designed metal plate award featuring the channel's name etched on it. Diamond Creator Award awarded to channels that reach or surpass 10 million subscribers. It is made of silver-plated metal inset with a large piece of colorless crystal in the shape of a play button triangle. When introduced during VidCon 2015, 35 channels qualified for the award. As of December 7, 2023, there are 986 channels that have 10 million subscribers or more. Custom Creator Award formally awarded to channels that reach or surpass 50 million subscribers since September 1st, 2020. It is the sole award to be missing from the Creator Awards FAQ. However, it continued to be granted at YouTube's discretion after this date. PewDiePie gave the nickname of Ruby Creator Award to this award as he received a ruby-colored award in the shape of his channel's logo. The color can vary per creator, however, for example, T-Series received a colorless award, while Blackpink received a black award on top of pink base. Channels with a dagger symbol have presented their custom creator award to the public. As of January 4, 2021, 17 channels have reached this level. PewDie December 8, 2016, T-Series June 27, 2018, 5-minute graph February 21st, 2019, Coco Miller June 7, 2019, Set India June 20, 2019, Enal Godzilla June 21st, 2019, WWE October 24, 2019, Justin Bieber February 3rd, 2020, Z Music Company February 7, 2020, like Nastia Vlog March 30, 2020, Cute Perfect March 24, 2020, Kids Diana Show March 30, 2020, Vlad and Nikki August 18, 2020, CTV September 2nd, 2020, Spring October 4, 2020, Marshmello November 22, 2020, Mr. Beast January 4, 2021. Red Diamond Creator Award awarded to channels that reach or surpass 100 million subscribers. Inspired by the Diamond Creator Award, it features a play button triangle with a large dark red crystal. It was added to the Creator Awards FAQ by September 1st, 2020. There are currently 9 channels that have reached this level. T-Series, May 29, 2019. PewDiePie, August 25, 2019. Coco Milan, December 12, 2020. Set India, March 28, 2021. Mr. Beast, July 28, 2022. Kids Diana Show, August 16, 2022. Like Nastya, August 25, 2022. Lad and Nikki, August 13, 2023. C Music Company, September 24, 2023.